Patron, take them away.
Okay guys, I'm just about to open up a trade for one of the guys in the Discord I was having to speak to today. So this is for you, Haircut, and for everybody else who's never been here before. I am Big Scruff, and what I'm trying to do is put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. Now this is off the cuff. It's just triggered in now, so let me flick the screens on and then tell you what it is that I'm doing. Now, earlier on, we had a little one-to-one and we marked up the DAX. And we figured out in the short term, it was kind of predominantly a buy in the face of a sell. So how do you sort of function with that? Well, patience is what you do. So I've marked this up on my wage account. I've done all right, which the guys have seen this morning, because I've already done this. And I wasn't really planning on going back to market. And the guys knew exactly what I was doing because I tell them all the time. If I pull this down, I put a buy sheet in. And as you can see, there you go. It was done this morning. And I'm quite happy with that. You know, and there's other things that I do for them while I'm in there. Now, this trade is relatively easy. You know, mark up your key levels. Get all your key levels in so you can see exactly where they are. Look for a solid drive. Well, there's been a one here. I can put some entry exits in on it, just like so. And cage the price in. Just put these in blue, just so that I can highlight that for you. Just like so. These become entry exits, triggers, whatever you want to call them. And if we look all the way down here, if it is going to push, it's going to come back here. So as I was saying, it's a buy in the face of a sell. So that's the ultimate goal. But in the meantime, we're looking to see what we can get. And it's just come to a trigger point, goes in. Now the DAX is quite a volatile market and it will push up backwards and forwards. So it's there, there's the retracement, and then we catch in the move coming back on itself. And how far do we want to go? Well, we don't have to go mad. Just need to go into the next area. So there's like 10 pips if you like. And just rush it up into there. Now, what's that in relation to this? Well, let's have a little look. There's a starting point. Whoops, sorry. There's a starting point up there. Bring that down to here. And everything starts marrying up. You know, at this time, we're going to be buying the 50%, which is here. That is there, top of this candle, buy the 50%. I'm not really worried that it retraces, but it also means I can buy here, 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 and down here. So it gives me plenty of room to play with as well. So I've got room to maneuver. And that's one of the things that you need when you're trading. You need somewhere to move. So I can just drop down a secondary order, just put it on that level, which is a key bouncing point, just there. Okay. Am I worried that it's gone that far against me? No, because it's only 50 quid. What's that in the grand scheme of things? Nothing. You know, put two targets to roughly the same. Let it get on with it. If it triggers the second trade, brilliant. If it doesn't, I'm not bothered. It just keeps on moving the way that I want it to move. And it's that simple. And then all you do is you just ride the trade out. So I'm really doing this because when I was speaking to sort of Chris, Haircut, Get a haircut, son. You need a haircut. Bloody hell. Your age. Get a haircut. Bloody surfer dude that you are. I'm only jealous because look at the state of this thing. Fuck's sake. I'll get a haircut and I look in my hand and go, I've got more hair on my bloody chin than I've got on my friggin' head. Must have put my head on upside down. Anyway, that's the trade. Based on fibs, based on basic direction from multi-time frame analysis. Want to see how I do that? Come down to the Discord and I go through it every single day. And what we do, we have a little chat. I kind of tell them what I'm going to do before I'm doing it. A lot of the time I do a full breakdown, or I'll ask the guys what breakdown they want. And if I break it down, I'll back it up. Kind of my point of difference. So let's play this out, see how we get on. Okay guys, job's done. It's run up into target. Boom, boom, boom. Happy with that. We now, bear with me, don't have anything running. If you noticed on the sheet, it said I had an Aussie trade running. That is cashed out while we were working here. And it's given me a grand total of 708 for the day. I can live with that. Now, if I just pull up something, just so that you can be aware of what I was up to. Pull this down. When I pulled up the sheet, in trade, that was running, did quite well. Where did that come from? Well, it's a little salute to another one of the guys. If I just pull this back somewhere. Yes, I was, do check out Trade Delicious. I was in the podcast today, and it was a good one. But move this down. Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? Here we go. Duke, salute to you, my kid. Was looking at this. Wasn't quite sure which way it was going to go. I stuck my oar in, as I often do. Take it into ideas of the week. And there you go. At 20 to 9 this morning, I told them what I was going to be doing. What you've just seen close out right now. Now, I can't really be any fairer than that. I try to put my money where my mouth is. But more importantly, I'm not interested in the money side. I don't really like showing big trades. I want to show you the process. Don't be dazzled by the money. You know, it doesn't matter if that was 10p a pip or £10 a pip. The process should be the same. And that's what I want you to focus on. And for me, get your levels right, direction, because if you get the direction right, it'll forgive a bad entry, and your fibs will map it out. Think of it like if your levels are your destination, your fibs are your directions. It's kind of the way I look at it. So there you go. So another successful day. I'm finished for the day now. And in fact, I could be finished for the week because I only look for 200 quid a day and I've done 7 today. That's all right. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.